What began as a single pond would lead to something much bigger.
This doesn't look like an isolated fossil. Let's see where it leads. We're setting up a dig site. Welcome everyone, glad you made it. Let's begin. Start from this point. Easy, slow. All right, that's it for today. We'll continue first thing tomorrow.
This skeleton is almost 100% complete.
Great work, everyone. The excavation is complete.
Everything has been documented.
Ready for jacketing? Yeah, let's start. Let's start with the skull. We'll clean this entire fossil one more time before jacketing. Basically, it pieces fossils back together, strengthens the bone, and protects them. We'll apply a layer of tinfoil first, and then follow it with wet newspaper. Okay, I understand. Thanks for bringing the plaster, Mark. Just what I needed.
Not a problem, Alex.
This plaster is the final protective layer. Then we can move this skull out first. Done. Next, we wait for it to dry. The protective layer is dry, and we've slid the wooden frame underneath to prepare for moving the skull. Almost got it. Give it one more pull. That's secure now. Good, let's lock this one down.
Finding the skeleton was only the beginning. The real work was still ahead.
I'll start from the top, near the snout.
Good. I'll begin from the lower jaw.
Done. Now we'll head over to Daisy for the CT scan.
Alex, Mark, welcome to the facility.
The scans give us a much clearer look inside the bones.
And there's a lot we can't see from the surface.
The frame is ready. Now let's put the T-Rex back together.
Yes.
All right, we're only halfway through the job. There's still a lot of work ahead.
As you can see here, the digital reconstruction confirms our hypothesis regarding the bicep placement.
Right, I see it now.
That makes
perfect sense. We'll use a metal frame similar to the one supporting the T-Rex skeleton, right?
Exactly.
This clay will make it easier for us to create a more realistic T-Rex skin.
Wow, it looks so real. Yeah, it does.
The reconstruction is ready for painting. All right, let's make it look as realistic as possible.
This is the 3D model of the T-Rex. See the color pattern? The head is red. It's done. Let me know if you need anything else.
I brought what you needed. Perfect.
These feathers look pretty realistic. Yeah, they should give the reconstruction a natural look.
It's finally ready. It's finally ready. It is.
From the excavation site to the museum, every piece brought us closer to the animal that once walked this land.